Go ahead, Margo. Go eat. Go ahead, girl. Go eat, Margo. Margo, come here. Margo, come here, girl. That's how you feel. I know you hungry. That's why you came over here. You ain't gonna go eat, Margo? You just want me to leave, don't you? You just want me to get out of your personal space, don't you? Come here, Margo. Come here, girl. You not gonna go eat? Margo. Ooh, look at you, girl. Ooh, is you mad or not? Meow. Is you mad or not? Huh? Go eat. You so pretty. Look at you. You so pretty. Look at you. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you eat your food. I'm gonna leave you alone. Margo. Come here. Dang, Margo. You know what? I'm finna go. I'm finna go. I'm finna go. Bye. Bye. Oh, yeah. Now you wanna go over there and go eat, huh? You might as well. That's what it's there for. I see you. I sure do. I wonder if you're pregnant because you look kind of fat, Margo. Is you carrying some babies in there? Is you gonna eat some of the food? I'm not for sure how long my knees can stay in this position. I cannot do this one anymore. Shit. I'm sorry. Apologize for disturbing your food, but my knees, Lord have mercy, goddamn. Let me get back up. Oh, fuck. Alright, hold on. I might have to set this phone down, Lord. Hold on. Oh my god, I can't get up. Oh. Shit. Oh, fuck, I did it. Wait, where you go? Where you go? It's all good. I was just trying to stand up. I ain't mean to frighten you. Shit. How you gonna be scared? Lord have mercy. Margaret, are you pregnant, girl? You better not be. Margaret. It's cold out here. I'm finna go in the house. I mean, you is tearing that milk up. That's crazy. You need to let me see it up under you somehow, cause girlie, you look kind of fat. You been out here in these streets, Margo? You been out here in these streets? Girl, you gonna drink all the milk though? Let me see your belly, girl. That's crazy. Like, you is really drinking all that milk. I cannot believe I done sat here and watched you like 10 minutes, bro. That's crazy. I'm pretty sure there was something I was supposed to be doing before I came out here. You not gonna eat none of the dry food? Bro, for real? For real? That's how you do? You just eat the food and then run away like that? What you saving the dry food for later? Well then, fine. Go on about your business then. Margo? Margo? You good now, ain't you? You good, ain't you? You welcome. Margo. Where's you going? Uh-huh, you heard that, didn't it? Uh-huh. Yeah, I heard it too. What the hell is it? I don't know what it is, but they big. Oh, it's a dog. Is it a dog? I don't know. Well, she's off.